So, and then how is that different from a guardianship then?
A guardianship applies to minors. So if they lose their parents, for example, let's say, parents go out on a date and they get into a car accident, and who do we leave the kids with? Who is going to pick them up from school? Who's going to take them to doctor's appointments? We need to also have that listed in our estate plans. It's called nomination of guardians, as well as power of attorney for minor children. Okay. So a guardianship will apply. It's also a court proceeding where we ask the judge to appoint a responsible adult to make decisions on behalf of a minor. So this minor doesn't really have to have a disability. They just have to have lost their parents.
Now, again, I'm assuming there's a hierarchy. Like, have you seen any unusual cases where, how does this, what are some unusual cases that come to mind for you?
Yeah, well, where parents are divorced and one of them passes away after the divorce and they left a life insurance to the minor. That life insurance can't go to the other parent. It has to go into the minor's hands, but the court doesn't really want minors to handle money because they really can't, especially a 2-year-old, right? So what do? The surviving parent typically will have to request that a court appoint them as the guardian of the finances. Okay. And of course, that's expensive because then we're taking money from whatever the parent that passed left to that child. And again, there's accountings very similar to conservatorship. There's court proceedings we need to attend to, and this is all billed at an hourly rate. It's not something that an attorney will typically charge a flat fee for, and I say that only because it's going to cost the estate of the child, and we don't want that, right? And again, how do we avoid that? Get your estate planning put together.